This is the CAP Barbell Weighted Vest. Now, CAP claims this thing is the ultimate shortcut to leveling up your strength and endurance without ever touching a barbell. But after putting this through a week of high-intensity calisthenics, long rucking walks, and honestly just wearing it while doing chores around the house, I found something that the glossy marketing photos don't tell you. Is it the budget king of fitness tech, or are you just paying to be uncomfortable? Let's find out. CAP Barbell Weighted Vest Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at here? This is CAP Barbell's flagship adjustable weighted vest. CAP has been a staple in the fitness industry for decades, known for making gear that's accessible to the everyday person. This vest isn't trying to be a $300 tactical plate carrier used by CrossFit Games athletes. Instead, it's aimed squarely at the at-home warrior, the person who wants to add resistance to their pull-ups, squats, or morning walks without breaking the bank. It comes in various weight increments ranging from 20 pounds all the way up to 150 pounds, utilizing a unique sand packet system rather than solid steel plates. CAP Barbell Weighted Vest Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I use this for everything, from steep hill sprints to steady-state rucking, and I was really impressed with the weight distribution. Here's the thing, because it uses small individual weights, it wraps around your torso much more naturally than a rigid plate carrier would. When I was doing push-ups, the vest stayed surprisingly secure. There wasn't that annoying thwack against my chest every time I hit the bottom of a rep. However, I did notice some slight shifting during high-impact movements, like jumping jacks. If you're a burpee till you drop kind of person, you're gonna feel this move. But for the average hiker or bodyweight lifter, it feels solid. It adds that heavy feeling in all the right places, making a standard 20-minute walk feel like a 40-minute leg day. It's effective, it's punishing, and it definitely gets the heart rate up faster than a standard workout. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features. First up is the adjustability system. Unlike fixed vests, this has little pockets filled with iron ore or sand packets. This basically lets you microdose your progress. If 20 pounds is too much for your pull-ups today, you just slide a couple of bags out. This is a game changer for beginners because it allows the vest to grow with your strength levels. Then there's the reflective safety strips. It's a small detail, but if you're like me and do your cardio at 6 a.m. or late at night, being visible to cars is a massive plus. Finally, we have to talk about the padded shoulder straps. CAP added extra width here to prevent the weight from digging into your traps. Does it feel like a cloud? No, you're still wearing 40 pounds of dead weight, but compared to cheaper, thin-strapped vests, it significantly reduces that stinging sensation on your shoulders during long sessions. Design and build. Aesthetically, CAP went for a utility-first look. It's made of heavy-duty reinforced nylon and polyester, which feels rugged and durable. It's not going to win any fashion awards, and it's definitely bulkier than a high-end 511 tactical vest. It's got a bit of a SWAT team vibe, but with more of a focus on function over form. One thing to note, because it's a fabric-heavy design, it's a bit of a sweat sponge. You'll want to wipe this down after every session, or it's going to start smelling like a locker room faster than you'd like. The Velcro is high quality though. It's that loud, aggressive kind that stays put once you cinch it down. Pros. Incredible value. You're getting a lot of weight for a fraction of the price of premium brands. Granular control. The ability to add or remove weight in small increments is perfect for progressive overload. Comfortable fit. The wraparound design fits various body types better than rigid plates would. Cons. The bulk. It's thick. You won't be wearing this under a t-shirt discreetly. Heat retention. It gets hot. The thick nylon doesn't breathe well during summer workouts. Final verdict. Look, if you're a professional athlete or a hardcore CrossFitter who needs a vest that will survive being dragged through mud and barbed wire, you might want to look at something more over-engineered. But if you're a 9-to-5er looking to burn more calories on your dog walks, or a home gym hero wanting to finally conquer those body weight dips, this is an absolute no-brainer. It delivers 90% of the performance of those $200 vests for about a third of the price. It's built well enough to last for years of basement workouts, and the adjustable weight means you won't outgrow it in a month.
It's one of the few pieces of fitness tech where the budget option is actually the smartest choice for most people.